Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. If you're a solar installer or if you're a do-it-yourselfer thinking about putting your own solar system in, you need to watch this video on a product that I found that has saved us a lot of money and time. Let me show you. Let's get started.
Alright, we're putting the mounts down. These are the quick bolt deck mounts that don't have to find a rafter. They can go anywhere on the sheeting. It works out really well. Labor-wise, it's so much faster. We put the sealant on here. It's recommended just to be sure because the roof is you know, kind of wavy, and so you got to have enough sealant to take care of that. Okay, make sure all the debris is blown off there. We'll lay it right back in place. Let those roll down there to my knee. That's fine. We'll go ahead and get the first one started. Okay, and make sure just eyeball this straight with the shingle tabs. Okay, the visual's fine. Get that one started, and I'll show a close-up. Can you see that? This has got a really thick umbrella washer. It really flares out really nicely and seals. So if you see this here, see how that flares out real nice? That seals it. Okay, you don't want to crush it. You just want it to flare out nicely all the way around. And I go back and I check it. Make sure here we go. That looks good, that looks good, and that looks good. Again, I didn't have enough sealant because it's not coming out real fast this morning because it's cold. We're starting it early in the morning to beat the heat. And so I'm just going to add just a little bit more wherever it didn't squish out. Just to make sure. The last one we did, we had the black sealant, so it matched. But this one is the gray. It's okay, it works. And just wipe it around so you got a good, you know, you got good coverage there.
Okay, we're all completed. I tell you, those quick bolt deck mounts saved us about 25 to 30 hours of time putting the system up. I'll put a link below where you can find them. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.